Okay, these are the performance racing R6s that we're going to be campaigning in the Superstock 600 series. This one here is the dry bike, suspension by R6 Racing, all prepped by Brilliant Performance. In performance racing, this here is the wet bike. Okay, let's have a look round. The dry bike. Okay, these are about 95% done, because what we've still got to do is sticker the bikes. As you can see, there's a clutch lever missing off that. They're on the way. The bikes are just off to the dyno. They've got to be dyno tested and make sure that they're okay, make sure that they're safe. Obviously, as they've been in 1,000 pieces, we need to make sure that they're not going to fall apart on us. The safest way of doing that is put it on a dyno. Lovely. Then they're going up for stickers. Off for testing in Cartagena in 3 weeks.